Hi, I'm Jay Kidd. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at NetApp. And I'm here with Paul McNab, who's the VP of Worldwide Enterprise Marketing at Cisco. Paul, we've been partnering together on this recent UCS launch. Can you talk a bit about how Cisco and NetApp are working together to deliver UCS solutions to customers?
Yeah, really exciting. I think the big thing is we focused on the dynamic data center, and actually we talk about joint solution development, but it really is working with Rich Clifton on your side of putting together architectures and testing them in the lab. So the benefits to our customers is that they get improvements in efficiencies and time to production. So wonderful opportunity for us.
And we're working together to deliver a complete solution, tested, verified, so customers know that they've got something that fully works together.
Yeah, we have what we call Cisco validated designs. So we come out with architectures that really are, it's not just about product integration, it really is having case studies. We have, just like you release a product where you talk about early field trials, we'll actually have early field trial customers who really do take these solutions that we've baked in a lab together, test them so other customers can feel comfortable that this stuff really works and they do get the efficiencies of improved time to market.
Yeah, I think it'll be exciting to work together on some of these early customers because Cisco's done some pretty unique things with the UCS architecture to take cost and complexity out of the compute side. And NetApp's been working on that part for the storage side, taking cost and really driving efficiencies. I think the two together will be really powerful.
I got chills going down my spine. The opportunity here is that what we've done is we've really and the point is pre-integrated, as you know, network, compute, storage, and virtualization, where traditionally that has to be woven together separately, stitched together. It's pre-integrated. And the benefit to our mutual customers, and that's the point, the benefit to our mutual customers is that you have your unified storage message. So it's a marriage in heaven. They get the benefit of our pre-integration and the benefit of the unified storage, and it just links perfectly well.
Yep. And ultimately, the goal is more mutual customers.
And that is the big thing, is that I always say where customers have made decisions on NetApp, and the really is important about investment protection, where there's clear reasons, we're both Ethernet-based, clear reasons why they've done that. And so if we can continue to show differentiation, those mutual customers can keep their current investment and then show show benefit of their investment for the long period. This is a long relationship, my friend.
Yep, so it is. It is.
Stay together for a while.
That's right. So let's talk a bit about the ecosystem. When Cisco announced the UCS, there was a great emphasis put on the ecosystem of partners. And tell me why that's significant to Cisco and how you're doing to build it out.
Yes, so, and we're learning as we do it, but it really is about that, that investment protection is where customers have made the time and developed their relationships with certain vendors, that we want to maintain that, but also, as I said, show sustainable, and that's the whole point, sustainable differentiation, and that's the benefit to those customers.
Yeah, I think you mentioned frequently the choices that customers have made. And one thing that's true in this industry is customers hate feeling like they're trapped into one choice that they may have made, or the choice of one technology limits their choices in another.
Correct.
I think the more open an ecosystem, the more balanced it is, the more powerful it is to the customer, the greater sense of choice.
And that is so essential. And so we do see over the next 3, 6, 12 months, more partners coming on board and building out this platform. So yes, it's a real great opportunity for us too, our respective companies and our customers.
Why do you view NetApp as such an integral part of this ecosystem in the UCS launch?
The benefit of it is that you have such a history with iSCSI, with Ethernet, with FCOE as well, that we feel that because we have very much an Ethernet-based, network-centric strategy to the way we've put UCS together, it so naturally ties in with the approach you have that we see that as a very clean, sustainable, and that's my whole point, differentiation that we have been, both companies being Ethernet-based.
Yeah, it's so clear that Cisco's been the leader in Ethernet infrastructure for so long, and NetApp's really been the leader in Ethernet storage.
Correct.
And the two coming together is so natural.
Absolutely.
And we do fiber channel too, and we do it pretty well.
Yes.
But increasingly, we see a lot of our customers looking toward Ethernet as the long-term future. And
Correct.
the work we did together last year on coming to market with fiber channel over Ethernet and bringing that's a great base of partnership.
Correct. And again, the whole point is, for those customers who do want to run fiber channel, we allow them to do that over an Ethernet-based infrastructure. Excellent.
And so do we.
Exactly. That's the whole point.
So how would you characterize the overall relationship between Cisco and NetApp, even going beyond UCS?
So we talk about UCS, and UCS is the focal point right now, but we had Unified Fabric FCOE before this. We've got a broad product family from the Catalyst, the Nexus 1K, 2K, 5K, and 7K. Oh, by the way, thank you for taking on the Nexus product family.
We look forward to success.
So the whole point there is, obviously it's the UCS today, but we've got the Catalyst and the Nexus products before then. And believe me, we've got updates of UCS coming and future products. So what I see, this is very much a long-term relationship with NetApp, building on the install base that we have and the wonderful opportunity that the UCS and future products will provide us. So I really think this is a long-term relationship to the benefit of our mutual customers.
Yeah. So we can drink a toast to more UCS in the NetApp installed base, more NetApp in the Cisco installed base, and a more efficient, more agile infrastructure for everybody.
You offering to buy me a drink, Jay?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'll take you on. Thanks a lot, my friend.
Paul, thanks very much for joining us.
Much appreciated. Take care, Jay.